This is Liam Fry eating his food for the very first time.
Liam, so what do we have here? Do we have some apples and pears? What do you think? Do you want to try and eat it?
Ooh.
Is it pretty sour? Hi, buddy. Do you like it? More. Just a little more. What do you think? Is that good? Oh, it's almost too exciting. What's that? Oh, I think you like it. I think you like it. Is that pretty good? I think he just sucked it right off the spoon.
See if he does the shake again.
I think he likes it. Do you like it? Do you like it? I don't know how much to give you. Oh, yummy! Open up. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. There you go. Yeah. Yummy. Do you like it? Is it very good? Oh, I'm so glad you like the apples and pears, Liam. Hi, Dada. Here's some more. Open up. Open up. Sometimes he'll thrust his tongue forward, but sometimes he'll take it. I think it's too sour.
Yeah. Love you, Liams.